Now we'll do this problem in Tally software. This is a problem. Again, repeating once again. The first one, transaction, you have to enter in the receipt voucher. And you need not pay tax, GST tax on advance receipts or payments because it is a goods. Printer is a goods. The second one, we have to enter in the sales voucher. Sold the goods against an advance received, you enter the sales voucher. Because there is no GST levied on advance receipts or payments, that 20,000 transactions, it will not be get displayed in the report. We cannot see that report of 20,000 in the GSTR report or GSTR return because there is no GST tax. The second one we will view, we can show in the GSTR one, outward supply. Sales means outward supply. But the first one, we cannot show this 20,000 in the GSTR report. Okay, so we'll do this now. I'll open the Tally software. This is a problem for today's class. I open the Tally software here. Now Ashray will help me how to do this. Now Ashray and people are attending classes regularly in the virtual class. Assignment marks will be given only when you help me during the problems here. Simply you not get assignment marks, 5 marks. Only when you help me in doing the problems here. Now it is turn of the Ashray now. He will help me. I'll open the Tally software. I'll open the Tally software. This is the word Tally software. I'll share the screen. Now create a company, shortcut key Alt plus F3. Alt plus F3, create a company. So your company name is, assuming you are Chiru Traders. Chiru Traders. So address is not required. State is required. Telangana. Control plus A. And you see the current period. You see the current period. Now if this current period is wrong, you have to change the current period. To change the current period is shortcut key Alt plus F2. So now that change the current Alt plus F2 or click on that. So 1st April 2021, 31st March 2022. Now the current period has been changed. Okay. Now we'll go to Gateway of Tally. Always start from Gateway of Tally. Now enable GST. The shortcut key to enable GST is F11. Again F11, F3. F3 means this is the F1 accounting features, is F2 inventory features, F3 statutory and taxation. Press F3. The first is enable GST. You have to make it to yes. The second one should be you make it to yes. You will get a GST details screen. The state is Telangana. Your state is Telangana. Registration type, you belong to regular category, not composition. SSC of other territory, you mentioned it is no. You don't belong to other territory. Then GST applicable 1st April 2021. Next is GSTN number. You can enter the number, GSTN number. A dummy GSTN number can enter it. Or you can skip it. But if you don't enter the GSTN number, the report, the gesture report shows mismatch. It will not, it will show some errors if you do not enter GSTN number. So, because I don't know GSTN number, we'll see later on what happens. So, periodicity of GSTN 1, you have to file monthly return. Because you are a regular dealer, you have to file monthly return. And if you are a composition dealer, you have to file quarterly return. If you are a composition dealer, you have to file quarterly return. But you are not a composition dealer, you are a regular dealer, you have to file monthly return. EVAB applicable. What is EVAB? I'll explain next class. We set as no. Next is enter tax liability on advance receipts. I told you there is no tax on advance receipts. Okay, tax is not levied on advance receipts. Initial stages they used to levy taxes, but later on they have removed that part. Only on goods, not on services. Only on goods. So we make it as a no. Enter tax liability reverse charge. Okay. So we are not dealing with unregistered dealer. We are assuming both the parties are registered dealer. Nothing is mentioned. We are assuming that both are registered dealer. Chiru traders and power traders both are registered dealers. Next is set alter GST rate details. We will not alter here. We will alter in the stock item level, not here. Okay, we have to alter in the stock item level. Enter GST classification. Say yes, means you should have different types of GST like CGST, SGST, and IGST. Provide LUT bond details. This is for exports. You are not exporting or importing. We are doing transactions within the state. Nothing is mentioned within the state only. Okay, so we say it no. Enter, accept yes or no, press Y. Okay, now here nothing should be entered. After first and second should be yes, remaining is no. Straight away you have to save it Control plus A. Press Control plus A. Press Control plus A. Now go to Gateway of Tally, press Escape. To go to Gateway of Tally, press Escape. Now create ledgers. You have to create ledgers. So shortcut key A L C. You have to create single ledger. You cannot create multiple ledgers in GST. As you created multiple ledgers, computers accounting, here it is not possible. You have to create party name. So what is party name here? Party name.
Pawan Traders.
Now, under which category? Which category?
Data.
Sundry debtors. So maintain balance, bill balance, say yes. Belongs to Telangana. He is a regular dealer. And we have to enter actually GST number because we'll see in the report what happens if we don't enter GST number. Report will show error mismatch. At that time we will see whether it can be entered or not. Okay. Now Control A. Next is sales. Sales account. GST applicable, applicable. Set alter, say no. Type of supply, select goods. Now if the sales or purchase is exports or imports, if it's exports or imports or exempted goods, then you have to change here. You have to say yes here. If it is exports or imports or exempted goods here. you have to make it to yes here. But there is no such exports. Only we are selling within the state, intra-state transactions, not interstate transaction. So only within the state we are selling and buying. So we had to make it as a no only. Set alter just say no under sales ledger. Control press. Now next is you created party name, you created sales, you have to create GST ledgers, duties and taxes ledgers. What is CGST? CGST. Now because we are selling, CGST is nothing but we can also call output CGST. We are not calling, we are not putting output or input. It is understood. If you're selling the goods, you have to pay output CGST or SGST. When you're buying the goods, you have to pay input CGST or SGST. Or if it is one state to other state, IGST. Now it comes to the duties and taxes. Now type of tax, select GST. Tax type, select CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. It's a central tax. Save it, control plus save. SGST, one more. Because within the state, CGST and SGST is levied. SGST. Under duties and taxes, same, no change. Type of duty, select GST. Now it's a SGST, it's a state tax. Select state tax. Control plus save. Control plus save. Okay. Now we entered all the ledgers now. Now you have to enter the accounting vouchers here. Okay, first is you have to enter the receipt voucher because you received an advance amount from Pawan Traders here. Receipt voucher. Okay. How to go to accounting vouchers? So what is shortcut key and how to navigate to the receipt voucher from accounting vouchers? This is the thing you have to tell me. How to go to the
Gateway of Tally accounting vouchers.
Okay.
V.
What is shortcut key?
PV.
Shortcut key for receipt voucher. Shortcut key for receipt voucher.
F6, sir.
F6. This is the receipt voucher. You got a receipt voucher, okay? Then you have to enter journal entry. This is a journal entry. Okay? So enter. What you have to enter in the credit column? What you have in the credit column? What will enter in the credit column?
Pawan
Traders. Right.
Yes.
Now, Pawan Traders. You will get a bill wise. I think I explained you what is bill wise details in the computer's accounting.
Yes, sir.
So which one you have to select it? Type of reference. Which one?
Advance, sir.
Type of reference. Which one you have selected?
Advance, sir.
Advance. Very good. Advance. Due date. Skip the due date. Put the amount. Enter. Enter. End of list. Now, what is the debit part? You received advance. Giver is Pawan Traders. Who is the receiver? Who is the receiver? Who is the receiver now?
GST, GST, sir.
Where is CGST? There is no taxes. Advance receipt or payment. Only in case of goods. This is a goods.
Yes, sir.
So what do you do in the debit column now? Entries, journal entries now. Simple journal entries. Simple one. Basic journal entries.
Cash, sir.
Now cash because we don't receive cash because the amount is more than 10,000. You have to receive through check only or online mode only. Bad. Now we forgot to create bank ledger. Now from here we can create bank ledger. Alt plus C. To create a ledger, Alt plus C shortcut key. Bank ledger. It says SBI Bank. SBI Bank. Bank account. So select bank account there. Account number, skip it. IFSC code, skip it. Branch, skip it. Skip everything. Control plus A. Now you got bank account. Okay. So normally entry will be bank to Pawan Traders. Now here you're asking the credit column first, debit column next. Okay. This is, you write the check number or you skip it. Instrument number, check number, date, skip it, bank, skip it. Or your narration being advance received from Pawan Traders. Okay, yes. Now you go to the sales voucher. F8, shortcut key. Okay. Enter the reference number, some dummy reference number 99. Sold to whom? Sold to Pawan Traders. Select Pawan Traders. Please enter, because we are not under GS. Later on we'll see whether it is displayed in written or not, reported. GST number are not entered. We'll see later on. Sales for the sales. Just you press enter keys. Enter. What we done? What is the problem here? We have not created a stock item. Create a stock item. Alt plus C.
MS printer.
From here you can create directly from the voucher you can create stock item. Okay.
Alt plus C you did, sir.
Alt plus C to create stock item. What is stock item? MS printer.
MS printer.
MS printer. Now you have to create again units in terms of numbers. Again Alt plus C. Numbers, formal name, numbers, or you can say quantity. Quantity, now in the problem it is given quantity. Now you will not find the quantity in the code, list of unit quantity code. So you select others. If you don't find it, select others. Control plus A. GST applicable? Yes. Here you have to set the GST rate. Classification undefined, skip it, press enter key. About the product MS printer. Enter the 6-digit or 5-digit HSN code, harmonized system of nomenclature code. This is in terms of goods. Some dummy 6-digit number or 5-digit number. Tax it is, calculation type, on value. Taxable, it is not exempted, it is not nil rated, it is a taxable. There is no reverse charge because we are buying from registered dealer. Nothing is mentioned, we are buying from registered dealer. Type the percentage GST rate 18%. It is distributed equally central tax and state tax. Enter. Type of supply goods. Enter. S. Okay, now this go down will come. You have to eliminate the go down. Eliminate go down. F11, F2. Multiple go down. Say no. Control A. That screen will not come. Okay. So again, press enter key. Printer. This is not required. How much we have purchased the printer? How many quantities are purchased? 8.
Nothing is given, sir, in school.
No
problem.
Yeah, no problem. 6,500. Now you have to enter the tax detail, CGST. C. Press C, it will come. Enter. So SGST. Press S, it will come. It will enter. Okay. So This is the sales voucher transaction. Now control plus A, control plus A. Say set control plus A, control plus A. Now we'll see the report, GSTR report. We'll see the GSTR one whether it is displayed or not. That 52,000, no, that is displayed or not. To go to reports, go to gateway of tally. Okay. To go to reports, shortcut key D means
Display.
display. DO
Accessory reserve report.
GST GSTR one. Nothing. Why? Because it is showing mismatch here. It's showing mismatch. Which means you have to resolve the mismatch. Otherwise, it will not show you. Okay. It's showing the mismatch here. It's showing the mismatch here. So this match has to be resolved. We'll see what mismatch we have done, what error we have done. So this is a mismatch it is showing. Okay. So we will place the cursor on that mismatch, enter, press enter key. Click on this. Then again press enter key, second time. Again, third time you should press enter key. What is asking is enter the GSTR number of party of the Pawan Traders. This is a party name Pawan Traders. You have to enter the GSTR number. I told you without enter GSTR number that will show you errors. It will show you errors. You have to keep with you a dummy GSTR number of some other firm because we are using only for educational purpose. We are not using for. So we have to again search the GSTR numbers. I have to again see that where is the GSTR number. I have prepared a table list. Or we can Google from the. You have to Google it from the website. So GSTR number of our state Telangana start from 36 followed by PAN number. So we will Google it from the website. So I don't have GSTR number. I misplaced this here and there. I don't have now. So we'll Google it from the website now. So we go for the website, Google it. What is this? Minimize it. I'll just open the Google Chrome. So GSTR number of Telangana state. I'll just type it. GSTIN number of Telangana state. So you have the this number. Sample I'm taking. Now what I say is, yeah, I'll show you. This is the. Now this is the I got it from the website. You have different states, different GSTR number. Okay, for Gujarat it is starting from 24. For Bangalore, start from 29, and Hyderabad for Telangana it is 36. For AP it is 37. So we will copy this 36 AAA CC. So 36 AAA CC 1206 D2ZG. So we'll copy it. Whether it is you can copy or not, we'll see. Let's just copy it. Copy. You cannot paste it. You have to type it. 36. Sorry. 36 AAACC, AAACC 1206, 1206 D2ZG, D2ZG. I think we have entered the GST number. So this is the GST number. Okay. This I have entered the GST number. 36 AAACC 1206 D2ZG. Press enter key. Press enter key. Accept yes or no, press Y. I think now this we have resolved the errors. Go to again. Now it is showing now. In the outward supply sales report GSTR 1, it is shown under the B2B invoices, business to B invoices. Taxable value it is showing, tax amount is showing, invoice amount is showing. Okay. So you have to enter the opposite party GSTR number. It's showing under B2. B2 means business to business.
Sir, where we can see how much advance is there working?
No, this advances is not disclosed here. You can see the ledger account. Okay. This is, you understood that one? You can see the ledger account. Now, I'll show you ledger account. Now, can you tell me how much he has to pay? Due, how much, whether he had to pay or he has to pay?
We made sales now, sir, so we should receive.
How much net amount he has to pay? Can you calculate it? Now, total amount is 61,360. Okay. He paid advance how much? 20,000. How much the rest remaining amount he has to pay to us?
41,360.
We will see. We will see in the ledger. Now, ledger to see the ledger. How to view the ledger? How to see the ledger? Can you remember in computers accounting how to view the ledger? How to go to ledger?
We'll alter it now, sir.
Alter it.
No.
I want to see the ledger balance of each account.
Display, sir.
Display, then
Day book.
Daybook.
No, not day book. Accounts.
Account books. Which one you have to see?
Ledger.
Ledger. Ledger. Which one you have to see? You have to see the party name, right? How much is due to us? Okay?
Pawan Trader.
Pawan Trader. Enter. How much is due to us now? As you said.
41,360.
This is the how can we calculate it? This is 41,360. He has to pay to us. He has to pay.
Yes.
This is a ledger account. Debit credit he has paid 20,000. Debit 61,360. Net amount he has to pay 41,360 rupees. Because this 20,000 will be not displayed in the GSTR report because there is no GST levied on advance receipts or payments because that is only on goods. On services, you have to pay GST. That is services within a fourth unit. While covering fourth unit, I'll explain you how to calculate GST on advance receipts and payments. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Everything is taken care by the Tally software. Okay? This is the thing. The next class, you have to learn journal entries of each transaction. Okay? Local sales, B2B. What is journal entry? Again, B2C. B2B is business to business. B2C means business to customer. What is journal entry? Okay? When you're selling the goods, you have to pay output tax. When you're buying the goods, you have to pay input tax. It may be CGST plus SGST or IGST. It may be CGST plus SGST or IGST. Okay. So this is the way how to enter the what? Advanced assessment.